Hi Mal Pals! Yes, today's video is a very, very fun one. Kroger is sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, Kroger. I went and shopped there and got every single item that I needed for this look. So you can stroll down their beauty aisle and get all the items you need for your Halloween look this season and also your everyday looks. Kroger has a wide variety of beauty products and pretty much anything you'll ever need. I've been shopping Kroger's beauty section since I was a very little girl, so definitely love shopping for beauty products at Kroger. Like I said, I purchased all these products at my Kroger store, and you can also pick up every single item at your local Kroger family of stores. I feel like at any level of makeup skill, you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. I am definitely more of a traditional makeup girl, but I wanted to create this look today inspired by Marilyn Monroe pop art. You can grab a blonde wig and throw that on, but today I decided to create a faux bob with my own hair. You can be Marilyn for Halloween, just like me. Starting out with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm using the shade, the lightest one, 110. And full coverage foundation is perfect for looks like this, for costume looks. And to keep everything super matte and super flat, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And this is the shade 100. It is translucent, but we want to be mattified. So now for the brows. I want to start with the brows because I feel like with any makeup look, you kind of get that base going. I'm going to use the Covergirl Ink It liner in black. And Marilyn has those kind of more wide apart brows, so I'm just going to follow that. I'm using the Loreal Carbon Black Liner Intense. It's a liquid liner. And I am just going to go over the brows to make sure that they are sharp and filled in. A little line here. I'm using this L'Oreal Color Riche palette in number 108, and I'm going to combine these blue shades right here to create her eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this in the crease. Eyeshadow is very winged, so just taking this to the tail of the brow. So now that we have the eyeshadow done, we are going to do the liner and then little fake lashes with this liquid liner. So now that we have this shape going across the eye and having the wing lower right here where it looks like that shadow, I'm just going to go in and draw a line right here to make one little kind of fake cartoon lash. And boom, we've got our lashes on. I am going to add one more little lash here with our liquid liner. Now I'm going to add just a little line to kind of carve out that blue. Now for the waterline to kind of brighten up those eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Drama pencil in white. And now to take that even further down, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible paints in White Party. Now to give that a little more definition so that white stands out, I'm going to add the shadow from those little false little lower lashes to about the middle of that white liner. Now for mascara, I'm only going to apply it to the top lashes and leave the bottom lashes alone. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Cheekers in the shade Plumberry Glow, and I'm just going to apply that on the outward portion of my cheeks. Now for the fun part, we're going in on the face, and I'm going to use that same liquid liner. I'm going to draw a line right underneath that blush, so starting where my cheekbone is, and then on this other side, I am going to not go as far, go along the lower portion of the cheekbone. A little bit of black here and there. Just like eyeliner, you just keep making it thicker and thicker. And now I'm just going to take the liquid liner all the way underneath my chin. Okay, now that our jaw line is done, I'm going to do the neck. Now I'm going into that white Infallible paint by L'Oreal right in the center. For the nose, I'm just going to basically outline the tip of my nose, just like Marilyn. She had that button nose, so we're just going to go with that. Okay, and now we are going to do the lips. I'm going to use the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade HD Romance. Okay, now that my lips are dry, it's time for the fun part of lining them, and I'm going to line them with that CoverGirl Get pencil and then go back in with my liquid liner. Now I'm going to put the final touches on the lips, and I'm just going to kind of follow my natural lines in my lips and create the shadows with the L'Oreal Paris Liquid Liner. For the last step, going to take this lipstick, the Revlon matte lipstick in red, and I'm going to create little dots with the end of a brush. And I'm just going to do it on this side and along the neck. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you head to Kroger for all of your beauty needs. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again, Kroger, for sponsoring today's video. How cool is that? If you try out this look and any tips and tricks, please let me know, tag me in your posts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Mal Pals.